Welcome back to Excella. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basics of formulas and functions in Excel. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to perform basic arithmetic, use functions like sum, average, and if, and make your calculations more efficient. Let's start with formulas. In Excel, every formula begins with an equal sign. For example, to add two numbers, you would click on a cell, type equal sign 2 plus 2, and hit Enter. The result, 4, will appear in the cell. You can also use Excel to subtract, multiply, or divide. To subtract, use the minus sign. For multiplication, the asterisk. And for division, the /. Instead of entering numbers directly into a formula, you can reference other cells. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would write equal sign A1 plus B1. When you change the value in A1 or B1, the formula automatically updates the result. Remember to always start your formula with an equal sign. Without it, Excel won't recognize what you're trying to do. Also, double-check for open and closed parentheses, especially when working with complex formulas. Now let's explore some of Excel's most commonly used functions. We'll start with sum, which lets you quickly add a range of numbers. For example, equal sign sum, A1, A10, will add up all the values from A1 to A10. You can also use average to calculate the average, min to find the smallest value, and max to find the largest. Additionally, the count function counts how many cells in a range contain numbers. For instance, equal sign count, A1, A10, will count the number of numeric entries in that range. One of the most powerful functions you'll encounter is if. It allows you to set a condition and return different values based on whether that condition is met. For example, if you want Excel to display yes when the value in A1 is greater than 10 and no otherwise, you would write equal sign if A1, 10, yes, no. Later on, you'll learn how to combine functions like if with other functions to create even more powerful formulas. But for now, start by practicing simple conditions. Excel can also help you manage dates. The Today function returns the current date and automatically updates each day. Just type equal sign today into a cell, and Excel will display today's date. Remember, today updates automatically, so you'll always have the current date. It's especially useful for reports or timelines that need to stay up to date without any manual adjustments. For quick calculations, use the Auto Sum button to instantly create a sum formula for a selected range. You can also use the shortcut Alt plus equal sign for an even faster result. Now that you've seen some key functions, why not try them yourself? Create a small data set and practice using the count or if function to see how they work with real data. Remember, practice is the best way to master Excel. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into formatting and styling to help make your data more presentable. Don't forget to practice these formulas and functions to become more efficient in Excel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.